Hello everyone. In this lesson you will learn how you can style links and list. Let's assume each of these students have their own website. So I'm gonna write their website. I think these three pieces of information are better in list. So let's enter it in list. For that I'm gonna create another list and code this. Repeat the same step for other three students also. Since the step is similar, so I'm gonna skip this part for three students. First, let's remove this bullet point from the another list. So for that, first we have to select the another list, which is UL. So I'm gonna write UL to select the another list. Then the list style type, make it none, but still there is some space on the front, so let's remove that space also. Margin 0 and padding 0. Let's try 3 stages of event on a link. They are link, visited, I think it is better to make this color black, so I'm gonna remove this and make it black. Here the A means anchor tag, which specifies the link. We write the link in A tag, which is anchor tag, so that I select A, which is the anchor tag, and after that I write colon and link, colon visited, colon hover. This link, visited, hover are the event, and we write in this block what we want to do when there is a link, when we have visited that link, when we have hovered that link. Currently it is in link state. If I click here, it will be in a visited state. The Facebook is in a visited state. If I hover, it is in a hover stage. So let's see how it works. First I'm gonna remove the line which is in a link state, so I have to write code in a link to remove the underline. I think you already know how we can remove the underline from the text. Just we have to write text decoration and none, and it will remove the underline from the text. But I want the underline when I hover the link, so for that I have to write text decoration and I have to write underline. So when I hover, now the underline appear. We can also change the color for different stage. Let's change the color for hover. Let's change it to red. Now when I hover the link, it will become red. Let's change the color for visited to yellow. I visit Google, it must change to yellow. Even though I visited the Google, the color is not being changed. The color of this Google link is not being changed. This is because I'm running this demo in a guest mode, and in a guest mode the cookie is not stored in our browser, so that the browser don't know whether I have visited this link or not. Now to wrap up, here we have learned how you can style link and list. I have only shown you a few property example about link and list to style them, but there are lots of property you can explore on and learn on. If you want to, you can learn more about link and list CSS.